Hey, hello YouTubers. This is Gene at Gene's Restorations, and I just wanted to come back and show y'all something that I created in the past couple of weeks. And during that time, everybody comes up sometimes with ideas, whether will this work or will it won't. You just really never know until you go out and try. So today I'm going to show you something that I put together here in my old shop. And it was just out of pieces of old bikes here and there. I don't know if you know me, but I love old Suzukis. And I had a bunch of Suzuki parts, RM stuff. And actually I was getting ready to go up to Barber Vintage Swap Meet. And I was loading my trailer up, getting it ready and everything. And I had a bunch of stuff, and I got to looking, and I said, uh-oh, my mind is working too fast here. I think I've come up with an idea. Well, anyway, I had an old engine here in my shop that was made by Johnson many, many years ago. It was late 30s, early 40s. And I had a RM 125, about a 77 model. And my imagination got to running with me. And I want to show you what I come up with. At this time, if you'll notice here, I know this looks kind of crazy, and a lot of folks have said to me, Gene, you must got too much time on your hands. But anyway, I got to thinking about it. So what I did, I took this RM125 bottom end, and I split the cases, and I took the rod out of the engine. Well, you two-strokers out there know that there's a seal in there that separates the crank department from the transmission department. So I took that seal out so that these bearings on this side would oil from the transmission. So what I did, I built me a plate, and I sealed that top end of that engine off. I took this Johnson, they call it a Johnson Iron Horse engine. And like I say, it's very old. And I took it and I mounted it on a little plate here on top of the engine. I took my flywheel, and I went to Tractor Supply and got this pulley. And I got a good buddy with a machine shop that trued it all up for me and welded it and got it all ready to go and everything. And by looking at this right here, I mean, this little engine here, it don't turn up RPM like this Suzuki originally did. It turns up, just a small amount of RPM. But yeah, I just wanted to build something to see if it would work. So what I got a transmission being pulled by a little old small, I think this little old engine isn't hardly a 1 horsepower. But we got a 6-speed transmission down here in this RM125. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that it truly runs. And I took it to Barber with me, and there was folks that came by there looking at this creation. There was some guys that came from California, and they stood there and they looked for 20 minutes at this thing, and they said, will it work? And I said, let me show you. So at this time I want to show you what this thing will do. Right on this side now, I used the same crank that the original 125 had. But I had to get creative with the breather. The breather was going to be in the way of the gas tank. So I took some copper tubing and built me an offset for the breather. I know it looks kind of crazy. And then down here with my exhaust, I had an old funnel back here in the shop, and I built that exhaust because I just wanted it to look pure out crazy, and that's basically what it is here. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that you can create something if you set your mind to it. And I know you guys out there, you can do it. So go on out there in your garage or in your shop and create something that's different. And hey, folks might say you're crazy, but that's all right. Hey, have fun with it. Now let me see if I can get this thing to crank. Now, I used that old compression release there, handle and cable, and I went down here. It had one of those things you pull down on the spark plug to kill the engine. So I hooked my cable to it. So when I pull the compression release handle here, it pulls it down to the spark plug to kill it. So that was the only way. I did not want to put a kill button on it because I wanted to use the original equipment that's on that engine. Now, I want to let you know for certain that she'll run. At this time, I want to see if I can get it to crank up. Now, you guys, y'all get out there in your shops and be creative and build something like this here. Even though it looks crazy and everything, but it was fun doing it. And got so many people's attention up there at Barber. I bet you I had 20,000 people stop and gaze at it and said, that is the craziest thing they had ever seen. So go build something crazy. Until next time, y'all be creative.